We get the question all the time, do I need to start Medicare Part A and B? I have employer coverage. Is one primary? Is one secondary? So we're going to go into more detail today.
Join me and my son as we talk about this fascinating topic. Sit back, get a cup of coffee, and enjoy a couple minutes of fascinating Medicare talk. It is fascinating.
You just rip
it's
on
fascinating.
this. It's so smooth.
Okay, so we get this question all the time.
Mm-hmm.
And everybody thinks it's going to be a quick answer. But we got to ask you more questions before we can answer it.
Yes.
And the typical one is, what coverage do you have at work? And most people don't know. What's their deductible? What's their coinsurance? What's their exclusions? What's their policy limit? What's their drug benefit look like? How about the other bit? Do they have dental? You know? Mm-hmm. So we want to look at a copy of your existing health policy. Okay.
Can we cut that one?
No, don't cut it.
I'm confused because we didn't go over the situation.
Keep going. Keep going. Okay. So, but the thing is, people want a quick answer,
mm-hmm.
and they're just like, hey, because it's free to call us, so we get calls all day long.
Mm-hmm.
We'll answer it for free. We'll email it, whatever. But it's not. If somebody's giving you that quick answer, they're just trying to get you off the phone. Okay.
Or they don't know enough.
Yeah, or they don't know enough to give you a complete answer. What do you have now? What are you paying for it? Who else is on your plan? Is your spouse on your plan? Do you have dependents on your plan? Okay. What's your health like? Are you taking any super expensive, hard to get drugs? Do you have a chronic condition? Are you going to the doctor a lot? Okay, so it's not as simple as I'm turning 65, keep my employer group plan, or go off of it and go on to Medicare. It's much more complex, which is why we have job security at the Medicare Family. Okay. So what are the things that you talk to the client about once we looked at the policy? I trained him. Now he has to think.
Well,
you should know this like this.
It depends, first of all, on how many employees your company has. If you have 20 or under, it's a separate situation. If 20 or over. So if your employer has 20 or less employees, then Medicare is secondary.
What does that mean?
That means...
Is that what you want me to ask? What does that mean?
That was good. That was good.
I like to illustrate it. So if I go to the doctor, my primary one
gets it first.
I have to pay it first.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So if I have under 20 employees, which most small businesses in America are under 20 employees, but it's full-time employees or equivalent. So if you have 40 half-timers, boom, there you hit it. Okay. So I have under 20, and it's typically you have like 8. Okay, I have 8, and I go to the doctor. I'm over 65. Who pays first? Who pays primary?
The employer.
No, Medicare's primary.
Oh, that's what I said.
Medicare's primary.
I need to cut this. I definitely said it wrong at the beginning.
Yeah, but stay with me because he's confused. We all get confused. Medicare's primary. Medicare pays first.
Yeah,
now,
for small employers, Medicare pays first. Got it.
Okay. Now, for a large employer, who pays first?
The employer.
The employer group plan. Now, if you also have Medicare, it's down here. Mm-hmm. So when would Medicare even come in?
We gotta cut this. This is so confusing.
Oh my gosh,
I said
just
it
keep
wrong.
going.
I said it wrong the first time. No,
just keep going. Keep going.
Cut
Don't cut this.
Cut it. Cut it. They're gonna watch that and be so confused.
The employer group pays first.
Yes.
But the employer group plan, your health plan you have now, has a deductible, co-insurance, co-pays, blah, blah, blah. So those things that aren't paid by your employer group will funnel down here to Medicare, which pays secondary. Mm-hmm. Okay? Now you might not have Medicare secondary, and I typically tell you not to. I say don't pay $150 a month unless there's some extenuating circumstances where you think that you're going to go to the doctor a lot and incur a lot of out-of-pocket costs with your group health insurance. But most people appreciate saving the Part B premium because most people go to the doctor a couple times a year and that's it.
And then you retain your Part B.
Right. There's no
guaranteed
penalty.
issue when you do take that later.
Right. So there's no penalty if you want to continue to work past 65. People are really afraid that they messed up because they hear about these penalties, lifetime penalties, exclusions. Holy crap! I'm so sorry. That's my daughter, your sister. We're trying to go to 4-H right now. She's wondering where I am.
Oh, you answered?
Hold on, I'm talking to Elliot. Thank you if you're still watching this video because this is what you get when you deal with a family. We are the Medicare family. There's 3 generations of us. There's tons of us here in the Medicare family, and we're a business. Poor family, okay? So Forgive us on that.
Did you hang up on her?
I hung up on her.
Yes.
So the question we need to know from you is how many full-time employees are on your employer group health plan?
And what are the benefits
how
of
good is
the
it?
plan?
Because I have people that think it's good, and it's terrible for what they're paying for. It's terrible. I have also people that think it's terrible, and it's really good. And it might not be the health plan that's so good. The health plan might have a high deductible, but what's the part?
The drug portion of it, which is a lot of times way better than Medicare drug plans.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of twists, and it's not a simple yes or no answer. In essence, we need to know all about your current coverage, and then on our end, we can show you what the alternative is on Medicare.
Right.
And then we can help, but don't trust anybody who says,
yeah, if anybody gives you a
clear-cut
yes, no
or
answer,
no,
if you're retiring, do this, or if you're not, don't trust those people, okay? And hopefully they're not somebody we've trained. But work with somebody that specializes in Medicare, that this is all they do. They know the ins and outs. Now, just the fact that my son stumbled a little bit here, that's natural.
because we're on camera.
Well, he's nervous, but it's not just that. It's because there's so much in your head, it's really hard to do it. Boom, 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 you know? So that's also something. You want people that are going to methodically go through it with you and not just like shooting off answers. Boom, boom, boom. Because it is confusing. I'm not making fun of you. It is confusing. Everybody gets confused. I've been confused on this over 20, under 20 so many times. Plus Medicare changes the rules. Okay?
They do.
Right. So we want you to feel comfortable that you can work with us and you never pay extra to work with us. And you can call us or email us and we will take care of you and your family. Ask us questions in the comments below. If you're getting ready to retire in the next 3 years, now's the time to scout this out and start learning about it so you're not making the decision under pressure, so that you feel comfortable when the time comes that you are going to make that decision to get off your group and register for Medicare Part B or not. So thanks for tuning in. Hope we can help.